I'm here at KL and I will be running 7 km. And there is a marathon happening. So I'm super excited because this is my first run in KL. And I'm alone. So yeah, I'll update you guys. 7 km, let's go.
Nasiyahe untuk mana-mana larian program. Ya.
I can see the tower. What a good view. Let's go. KL Cyprus done. 7 km. I'm done. 7 km done. KL run, and yeah, that's actually so fun, and I enjoyed it a lot. And I think I'm gonna keep doing this when I travel out, so I can see the view and everything. I definitely just stop and take videos of the place because it's super beautiful. So yeah, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and see you on my next run.